Yeah, we're back again in this video. Welcome to the Luo Online, and if you have not yet subscribed, as humble request that you subscribe. Subscription is always for free, and it is not a sign that you pay us money or we don't have. This is an independent funding. Subscription allows you to get our video without you going to search. As long as you're on YouTube, you get the notification very fast. And if you choose to watch, you will just watch. Here we're looking at the chiefs of Acholi again. This time around, those who passed over. In Puran chiefdom, following the death of Rwot, his son, Prince Rwot Mutu, was passed over for enthronement as Rwot by the Puran Council of Elders for disobedience, selfishness, for lacking people's skills, among others. The council instead selected an outsider, a Parumu relation of Rwot Agara, called Ogwankok, to become Rwot of Puran. So that's the first one. Now, the second one, which I'm going to put into ABC and the rest, is the Rwodi or the Rwot Kalam, who were just appointed. They were not chosen by the God. A is Rwot Lachirokech. He was appointed Rwot Kalam of Lamugi in 1923 to 1935. In the other video of Rwodi who were thrown by the British, I explained the Rwot Kalam. The video is linked here. Some other links linked in the description. I said Rwot Kalam were the Rwot who were appointed by the British. They were not selected hereditarily or by the God, no. So, Rwot Lachirokech was appointed of Lamugi in 1923 to 1935. Another person here, or the second on this, under this Rwodi of Kalam, is Oteokelo Mora Lengumoy. Puran's powerful general was the de facto Rwot of Puran, given his closeness to the British colonial government official. He was subsequently assassinated in at the instigation or allegation of Rwot Lameng allegated him and he was assassinated. The third year is Andrea Olaladira. I think Andrea means Andrea. Andrea Olaladira, but let's take it the way Andrea Olaladira. He was a son of Puran assassinated Rwot Otera Okelo Mwara Lengumoy. He was appointed Rwot Kalam of Bobi Puran in 1914. Isa Okelo, number 4, also a son of assassinated Bobi Puran Okelo, was appointed Rwot of Koch in 1923, replacing the very aged Rwot Mo. Rwot Mo is a hereditary Rwot appointed by the God, the forefathers, the spirit, because they use the Mo oil as for anointing you to the throne. And if you don't pass that, you die. Rwot Saul Lagoin. So appointed Rwot of Koch in 1923, replacing the very aged Rwot Mo, hereditary of Koch. That is Rwot Saul Lagoin. So he ended up replacing the real Rwot. He became the British Rwot of Penn, chosen by Penn. But he also died that same year. He died that very same year, 1923. The fifth one is Peter Ogola, another Rwot Kalam from Payera. He was appointed county chief of Chua in 1958. Chua, home of famous people like Joseph Bosmir, Team and the rest. Legend. The sixth is Antonio Kelopua, DP politician and member of the Legico 1950 to 1960. He was a member of Legico. He was also appointed county chief of Chua, hailing from Umia Pachu, settled in Kalam. The second last on this list is Jakalia Toya. He was appointed Rwot of Atiak in February 1928 to 1941. Toya hailed, and the last on the list, or the 8th one, is the Rwot Erenayo Langol, appointed Jago of Umia Pachua in 1916 by District Commissioner Ashton Warner after the enthronement and arrest of Rwot Okidi. Now check the link for the other Rwot who were dethroned by the British. These ones who passed over, link in the description, and a link to the reference, which is the official website of the Luo Online, is also down. Thank you for watching this video and checking back into Luo, specifically into the subscribe, and you will get more videos from this channel. Thank you.